Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, driver illuminated vanity mirror, remote trunk release, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.